Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tim Grae from Grae Therapy. So today we're going to talk about posture. We're going to help you fix some of that lower back pain that you go through. Because we get clients who come in and talk about how they sit all day and they have lower back pain. And it's usually because of posture, because the majority of the time, we sit like this. Not because it's necessarily bad, but it feels good and it's very comfortable. But you can't sit like this all day and not expect something to happen. So we're going to do a couple things here to teach you how to do it. Now, the only thing you got to do, stand up in front of the chair that way, wherever you are, just stand up in front of the chair. So, what I want you to do is put your feet right at the foot of the chair. Now, only thing you're going to do is hip hinge, reaching back, put your hands on the chair, and put your butt all the way to the back. Okay? You're going to realize that your shoulders and your knees are in the same plane. Only thing you got to do is put your hands directly on top of your knees. Anything else? Extend your elbows. That's simple. Now look, my body is in a perfect L position. My feet are firm on the floor. That gives me a postural support. Your hips are in an even plane, and your back is straight. Now, the only thing that you do not do up to this point is lean forward into your computer. No. Sit in your chair, bring yourself to the computer. Tilt your screen up so your head stays forward. Get back to work. Small little tips to make you feel better. Tim Grae with Grae Therapy. Keep it Grae Collective.